Welcome to Tai Chi for Scoliosis. This routine will help you gently release back tension, improve mobility, and bring more balance to your spine. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather, breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Opening the door. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. Nice and easy, nice and slow, feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, open the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up, and then very gently rotate to one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, rotating the other way, the tiger claw. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, taking as many breaths as you need. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead. They spiral out and away. Silk railing, upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Softening down. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, silk railing, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, floating all the way up and over. The fingertips point down. They come down the center and then spiral out and away. Silk railing, the downward spirals. Spiraling the energy and the blood flow throughout the body. One more time, the downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, then step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. The other hand pushes down, circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. Nice and easy, taking your time, no rush, nowhere to go. Just breathing in and breathing out. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. One more time, parting the wild horse's mane. This time, catch the moon, and then we'll spin the moon, making two loose fists. The bottom fist comes up overhead, the other one by the waist as you gently turn to the side. Coming back to center, catch the moon, spin the moon, turn to the side, or even looking gently behind, but never forcing it, always easing in. One more time, riding the tiger. And then parting the horse's mane one more time to the corner. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, step out to the corner. Bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. Parting the wild horse's mane. This time, catch the moon, making two loose fists, spin the moon. Bottom fist comes up overhead, the other one by the waist, gently turning to the side. Coming back to center, catch the moon, spin the moon, look behind, or gently to the side. Breathing in, Breathing out. All right, one more time, ride the tiger. And then parting the wild horse's mane. One last time to the corner. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree right out in front. From here, the arms open wide. This hand scoops under, the other one on top, and once again, embrace the moon. And then the bottom hand comes up overhead, the other hand down by the hip. And then circle it around again. Once again, just the arms. The bottom arm comes up, and then leaning over to the side, going up. All right, this time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front, tapping the toes, like you're testing out the water. And coming back in, catch the moon, step back out in front, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. Once again, take as many breaths as you need. One more time, white crane spreads wings. All right, this time, catch the moon, and then we'll spin the moon, switching sides. The bottom hand comes up, the other hand comes down. Then circle it around again, once again, taking your time, just the arms at first. All right, now this time, as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front, tapping the toes. Breathing in, catch the moon. Breathing out, white crane spreads wings. Nice and easy, feeling the sensations. All right, one more time. White crane spreads wings. Very nice. Step back in, embrace the moon. This time the arms open up wide, making two loose fists. One fist goes up and over, the other behind the back as you gently turn. And then switching sides, drawing the sabers. One fist comes down by the neck, the other one by the low back. And just, once again, never forcing it, just bringing the arms down as much as you can comfortably. Nice gentle stretch. One more time, drawing sabers. All right, now this time both arms float all the way over and down. Circle in front, hug the tree. You know I love the hugs. From here, the arms open up wide. Step one foot in as you cross the wrists in front of the heart. Then we'll step right out to the corner, the palms face away. And as you step out to the corner, the front hand comes forward, the other hand stays behind. And then circle it around again. Fan through the back. Palms face away, one hand comes forward, the other right by the head. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, fan through the back. And then step the front foot back in. Take your time as you cross the wrists, step the other foot in. Palms face away. Step out to the corner. One hand comes forward, the other stays behind. Circle it around. Fan through the back. Like we're opening our arms like a fan. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, fan through the back. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come down by the sides. They float out to the sides. Then as the hands come down, the palms face up. They come forward as you shift your hips back, softening down. Palms face away from each other. They open as you rise up, scooping under. Two hands offering. Softening down as the hands come forward, palms face away, rising up, offering love and compassion, offering forgiveness, offering presence. and anything else you'd like to see in the world. 2 hands offering. Breathing in, breathing out. Offering gratitude and generosity. One more time, 2 hands offering. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide. And then this hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, but this time make a loose fist. The top hand deflects down, and as you step out, the back of the fist comes up. And then circle it around again, catch the butterfly down low, deflect downward, and strike. Bottom hand makes the loose fist like we're catching the butterfly, and then release the butterfly. One more time, deflect downward and strike. And then from here, sit back. This hand here drifts across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the butterfly down low, deflect downward, and as you step out, the elbow pokes through, then the back of the fist comes up and then open. Circle it around again, catch the butterfly, and then release the butterfly. Deflect downward and strike. All right, one more time, breathing in, breathing out. And then step the back foot in, hugging the tree, the arms open up wide, the fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down. This time as the hands come forward, palms facing down, the hips go back, softening down, open, rising back up. The pebble in the pond, of course, swimming through the water, sending waves out in all directions, softening down as the arms go out, breathing in and breathing out. One more time, the pebble in the pond. And then from here, the arms float up in front, draw the hands in towards the heart and step in. Push out to the corner, pushing the mountain. Breathing in. This time, the palms face up. The wrists cross as they come out. And then they separate. Draw the hands back in and push. Apparently close. Draw the hands in, palms face up. Cross the wrists as you come forward and then separate. Draw the hands back in and push. One more time, apparently closing. Draw in, palms up, cross wrists, separate, draw in, and push. Step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight as you step in, step out to the corner and pushing forwards. And then draw the hands in, palms face up, cross the wrists as you come forward and then separate, draw in, and push. Draw in, palms up, cross wrists, open. Draw back in, and push one more time, apparently closing. Draw in, palms up, cross the wrists and separate. Rotate as you draw in and push. This time step in, hug the tree, and then from here the arms open wide. The hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. And then circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under. back up to the heart, and down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway like bamboo in the wind. Moving ever so slightly, letting the energy move you. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.